Hey, juniors, today is the day that you are supposed to be approved for your senior project. Some of you are, some of you aren't. And if you're not, you're getting this rad paper today. Yay, your teacher will hand that to you. And yes, let's all look at it. Mandatory fifth period starting on Monday. So if you're getting one of these papers, you're not approved. And that means you get to hang out with me and Mrs. Meredith in room 160 at 3 o'clock starting this coming Monday. And you'll hang out with us until your proposal is approved with signature pages, with all those things. Okay? So, if you're approved, congratulations! Yay! If you didn't get one of these papers, you're a superstar. Great job. Get working on your project, right? Make sure you're saving all the things and taking pictures as you go. If you did get a paper, you think you're on the cusp of getting approved, do it. If you get approved anytime from right now until 2:58 on Monday, you don't have to come to fifth period. Yay, that's awesome. So do it. Finish up your steps. Get your paperwork signed. We have a 3-day weekend. It's the perfect time to meet up with your consultant, your client, your parents. Get those papers filled out so that you can bring them in and get approved. Okay? All right. Email Mrs. Gibson. Email Mrs. Meredith. Email your grader if you need help. Don't just sit back and be like, oh, I don't know. Be proactive, take action. Let's get you off the list. Okay? Mrs. Gibson, Mrs. Meredith, your graders, your advisory teacher, we are all here to help you. So please be proactive and let's make sure that you can get this approved quickly. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday in fifth period. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.